Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering and preparing the hardware. Charge the case and each earbud until the LED shows solid green so you avoid interruptions. Once charged, open the case and remove the buds. Make sure you match left and right. Fit foam or silicone tips and do a quick seal test by covering the mic port. Good seal improves ANC and bass. Hold the case open near your phone now so pairing can begin immediately without delays or extra taps. Once done with the physical setup, pair and configure. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and select QC Ultra in the device list. If asked, confirm pairing. Next, install the Bose Music app to manage firmware, update sound profiles, and map touch controls. Doing this unlocks spatial features and voice assistant links. Run the in-app fit and calibration tests so adaptive ANC and transparency respond to your ear geometry. Make sure firmware completes before heavy use to avoid glitches. To finish, use the earbuds. Taps and gestures control music, calls, and voice assistants. Refer to your app mapping if you customize them. For battery conservation, return buds to the case to sleep and store. If issues occur, try a quick reset. Place both buds in the case, close it, then hold the case button for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes amber. Repair afterward. If sound or ANC remains off, clean charging contacts, rerun the fit test, and check firmware updates in the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.